Which synonym belongs to somnambulist? The correct answer is noctambulist. Which synonym belongs to browbeat? The correct answer is intimidate. Which synonym belongs to discredit? The correct answer is demean. Which synonym belongs to gag? The correct answer is Leicester. Which synonym belongs to perfidy? The correct answer is treachery. Which synonym belongs to irreproachable? The correct answer is impeccable. Which synonym belongs to antecede? The correct answer is forego. Which synonym belongs to chortle? The correct answer is chuckle. Which synonym belongs to saffron? The correct answer is geyser. Which synonym belongs to jargon? The correct answer is vernacular. Which synonym belongs to inscrutable? The correct answer is ineffable. Which synonym belongs to outmoded? The correct answer is outdated. Which synonym belongs to gossamer? The correct answer is gossamer thin. Which synonym belongs to prominent? The correct answer is eminent. Which synonym belongs to frantic? The correct answer is frenzied. Which synonym belongs to venerable? The correct answer is respectable. Which synonym belongs to genealogy? The correct answer is pedigree. Which synonym belongs to schematic? The correct answer is diagram. Which synonym belongs to cauldron? The correct answer is kettle. Which synonym belongs to barterer? The correct answer is munder.